welcome to Fishing with Tim out here in the backyard. This is a channel I set up for fishing related videos. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell. If you like, give me a like, hit the old hand thing, and let your friends and family and your neighbors too know about Fishing with Tim on my YouTube. All right? Hey, below the video here, you'll see a link. It'll say more. Click on more, which opens up my description of the video, my disclaimer, my merch shop that's new, my Amazon store. All that stuff's in there. So the merch store, click on that link. It'll open up Spread Shop, which makes my t-shirts. Okay, so the t-shirt will have my logo, my design on it. This particular one will be Fishing with Tim. It shows me in a boat fishing and all that. If you're wanting to support the channel or just want a t-shirt or whatever, go ahead and support the channel and buy a t-shirt. And also it has hoodies, ball caps, water bottles, a chef apron. It has, you can pick out your color, your size, all that stuff. You can even customize the shirt. So anyway, check it out. Let's get going on some of these fishing videos, okay? Hey, so we're up at Lake Bosworth today, and got the weather's kind of foggy, drizzly, not the greatest day. Wind's not too bad. Got the Lawrence fish finder today, so I can tell what depth I am and temperature of the water and all that. Temperature of the water is 55 degrees, and so far so good. So we'll see if we get any fish out of this lake today. All right, got my first fish, it looks like, and I haven't gone like maybe 50 yards. Well, let's see what we got. Great. I got my pliers stuck in my dealy bob there. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get him in the boat. All right, nice rainbow. Cool. I have to make some more room here. I got everything all clogged up. Let's see what he looks like here. I cut this other hook off of here. Looking for my my leader that I had last time I went out fishing, and for whatever reason it wasn't in my tackle box. So I got this one that I pre-made up for some other type of fishing, and it has an extra hook that I really don't need. But yeah, nice rainbow. About, I don't know, 7-8 inches. Huh, worm's still good too. Well, we'll just kind of fix him up here and see if we can get another one. Whoa, got another one. All right. At this rate, I might limit out real quick and go home. I might play around for a while though. Ooh, this looks like it might be a kokanee. Yeah, we'll see. It's silver looking. Yep. Could be. That's what I was really looking forward to, is getting a kokanee. It's a nice one too. Nope, another rainbow. This one's it looks like it might be a little bigger. We'll see here. I gotta get this other hook off of here. It's hanging up in the net. Hopefully I can get it off without breaking the line. Yeah. Pretty nice one. I'd say it's about 8 or 9 inches. They're plants, I can tell. Yeah, it's not too bad out. It's still misty. It's getting the GoPro a little, the lens a little covered there, so I'm going to clean it off.